How to use Google Drive spam and trash feature. First, you want to simply open your Drive app, and once you're inside your Google Drive, you want to simply tap on three dots over here at the top left of your screen. By doing so, you'd be able to see options like spam and trash over here. If you open the spam folder over here, you'd be able to see if the files in spam is here or not. And as you can see, files in spam won't appear anywhere else in Drive. Files are permanently removed after 30 days inside your spam over here. If you receive any kinds of spam files or folders, it will be appeared over here. However, about the trash option, you can simply tap on three dots over. You want to simply tap on three bars over here again, and you want to simply tap on trash. And inside your trash, all of the temporary deleted files will appear here. If you want to recover your files, you'd be able to do that from here as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next